verdict coming in on the Jahangirpuri demolition. The case is in the Supreme Court and the NDMC has filed its counter affidavit in Vrinda petition. The NDMC telling the Supreme Court that the plea by juice shop owner Ganesh Gupta should not be entertained since they did not receive a response to the show cause notices that were sent to the owner prior to the demolition. The Civic authority saying that notices were given and there was no response. Nilashish is live with us. Nilashish, a show cause notice that was dated March 31, 2022 was served. This is what the Civic authorities have told the Supreme Court.
Yes, absolutely. NDMC has responded to Supreme Court in the pleas filed against the demolition drive that took place in Jahangirpuri. It has been clearly stated that the now famous juice shop owner Ganesh Gupta, the plea that he had filed should not be entertained, is what the NDMC says, since they had not received any response to the show cause notice that had been served upon him prior to demolition. A notice dated 31st March 2022 was served upon the shop owner, whose name incidentally is Shakuntala Devi, and it was asked of her that documents must be submitted regarding the legality of the structure within a week, failing which there would be action that would be taken, and that response was never received as far as the NDMC is concerned. NDMC, in fact, has also told the Supreme Court that the Jahangirpuri demolition drive was given an unwarranted communal color by petitioners of this kind. Very, very significant statement and stand taken by NDMC, saying an unwarranted communal color was given to the demolition drive that took place. And it has been clarified by the corporation very clearly that unauthorized projection on public land, sacks of garbage, and other unauthorized temporary structures is what was beyond the boundaries of the houses and shops were removed during this drive. It was not anything that was a concrete structure that was removed. It was garbage sacks, unauthorized temporary structures that were removed, and no notice is necessary in such cases when you remove chairs, tables, scaffoldings, other kinds of temporary things and garbage sacks which are around the area. That does not require a notice to be served upon those against whom the drive is taking place. So, of course, NDMC very clear on its stand today. Also, the Solicitor General saying that there are misrepresentations and political colors
a very significant statement that it has made in court. Nilashish, thank you for joining us with that, telling the Supreme Court that the demolition drive was given an unwarranted communal color, also saying that a show cause notice had already been issued. Nilashish, talking about the situation there, like you were telling us, the NDMC has also clarified that sacks of garbage, unauthorized projections on public land, other temporary structures were also removed during the drive. So there's no need to give it a communal color, and it was not the targeting of just a few shops.
Well, absolutely. As we were discussing, very clearly the NDMC saying that places which were unauthorized as far as structures are concerned, as far as buildings were concerned, like Ganesh Gupta's juice shop, due process was followed. There was procedure that was followed. Notices were issued. When they did not respond to the notice, then they made sure that the first floor area, which according to them was unauthorized, was taken down because there was no response to a show cause notice. And the same was intimated to them on the 31st of March. Now, as far as other aspects are concerned, like you said, like we were discussing, garbage, unauthorized projections, unauthorized temporary structures, for that, notices were not required, and therefore...
Right. So fact check there coming to the fore from the NDMC on another matter from the Supreme Court as well, as far as the Shaheen Bagh is concerned and the demolitions. For the moment, Nilashish, thank you so much for getting us the very latest.